Why, hello, good morning. It is me, Kamilah Rose, and I am talking like my dad, which is a hot mess. But hi, everybody. We are on our way home for the holidays. Home is not far. Well, it is, I guess. I'm driving. I'm annoyed, but I didn't go home for Thanksgiving, and I'm going to be there Friday, Saturday, and then I'm coming back Sunday, so I won't be there long. But this is my yearly trip because they're always like, you don't come see us, and I'm like, I don't because it's a pandemic, but okay. So I am at the halfway point. I have stopped for my Starbucks, got my usual, and now we're gonna head in. Don't know how much I'm gonna be filming. Probably will get a couple of clips. I got some of the pretty sunrise. But I'm excited. It should be good. It'll be quick. Turn around, come back to my place, stay at home so I can avoid getting sick and keep it moving. So that's the plan for this weekend. I'm excited. Let's see. We're off on Monday, so I'll come back Sunday morning early because I'm an early bird. I leave early. So I'll come back Sunday morning very early. Probably stop at Half Price Books because I always stop at Half Price Books on my way back. The flagship store in Dallas, and look and see what kind of after Christmas sales they have going on. Not that I need books, but I'm going to do it anyway. And then I will probably just head back to the house and chill on Monday. And then I'm working Tuesday and Wednesday, maybe. I might take off. I haven't decided yet. I'll definitely work on Tuesday. I need to check emails and stuff. And then I might do a half day on Wednesday. I haven't decided yet. I already took off Thursday and Friday, so we'll see. We'll see how I feel. I'm also not sure if these are going to be daily vlogs or if this is just going to be my new schedule for my weekly vlog. Because once I end December, I think I'm just gonna start doing weekly vlogs. So it's looking like I'll have 2 budget videos and then 2 budget videos, plan with me, a weekly vlog. There was something else. There was 2 plan with me, weekly vlog, and 1 more. Maybe a read with me? Oh, movies with Mila. So I was either going to do read with me and movies with Mila or switch them out depending on how many that ended up being. But I want to make more of a commitment. So I haven't done my goals for the year yet. But I want to make more of a commitment to reading daily. That is something that I have not maintained or kept up with. So we'll see how that goes. I'm on the fence about it. But anyways, I need to get on the road and call my daddy back because he called me, even though it's super extra early. But you know dad. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hi, it's Christmas morning and I am just now doing any type of vlogging. I am not at my home, I'm at my sister's. And I've just been enjoying being with the family. So probably won't be too much vlog stuff going on. I got up, did my walk this morning, did 2 miles. Got some footage from that, so that'll be in before this clip. And I'm gonna make myself some breakfast and then pretty sure, yeah, these are mine. Yes, they are. Yeah, I didn't buy any presents. I'm bad about that. Oh, my, the oven's ready because I'm cooking. But what I do have is I have some Christmas cards, and I'm gonna take these. These aren't mine. These are my sister's. Okay, well, I have Christmas cards, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm going to put some money in some Christmas cards, and that's gonna be my present. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas to all. Okay, so for breakfast today, I'm going to have some. Here we go. Some soup, because I don't feel like cooking and I just want something hot and warm. I have to come back. So I see now why people don't live up north. I don't really live up north. I live in North Texas. But when I tell you, I don't know why I live up there. It is cold and I don't like it. I woke up this morning and the birds were singing. It was beautiful. You'll see the footage. You've seen the footage from the walk. It was fabulous. And I said, oh, I need to be in this space all the time. I need to wake up to the warmth. In December. Okay? Christmas. Warmth. Fabulous. Amazing. I don't want to be cold. No bird singing. No nothing. Just sadness. A world of sadness. I want to be happy and warm. Maybe I need to take a vacation. You know, this Omarion is messing everybody up. But I haven't gone anywhere in a while. I'm going to have to feel that one out. You know, see how I feel. Go from there. So anyways, let's go make some breakfast, some soup. Let me get my cards together for my Christmas presents. And yeah, I'll see if I record anything else in this video today. We'll see. If not, then I'll see y'all later. Bye. When I came out, I was like, ooh, it's warm.
Glad I didn't have that Christmas sweater
on. Girl, you've been baking.
You know, I've been like, get me out here, it's hot.
Y'all gonna turn up the air. Turn up the air back here.
It is turned up. No, it's not.
It's I can't feel it.
You can't feel it?
Look, Daddy, they went and parked their car, their little cart.
Yeah.
You and Mama need to get y'all one of these.
Yep.
You could ride up to the store. They park it right outside. Light me up. Oh, I guess I'll wait for Daddy.
Yeah. My phone, I think, is at home.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right there. Right there. Only take that little laundry basket off. That's where we put the black cats. And then Mom, right here. Oh, no, right there, that window. I'll do the reenactment. Hey. Hey. Get away from my plate.
Y'all gonna light them up. Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready.
We need to set the water hose to drip.
Cool.
In case there's an incident.
Oh, no. What's the thing that?
Yeah, we need to get like a bowl of water at least.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I thought I brought it out here.
Yeah, it's sitting in the sink, Daddy.
Oh.
Okay.
Don't worry. I went to YouTube medical school.
Oh, so we're all gonna die. Hey.
But we got tried, okay?
No, we not. You can do it, not me.
What did Dad say? He said Cruz been watching videos and she can fix it.
Yeah, I was like, what's that mean? Hey, old man, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Dad,
Alrighty. Everybody's ready.
here you go, Dad.
Oh.
Okay, everybody.
Okay.
Ready? Okay, I'm gonna light.
Okay, yes, we can see how this works. It's too late, Mommy. We're in the zone. That's a buzz. It's a bummer.
Go ahead.
It need the light. Light.
Oh, she got the.
Oh, snap.
Okay.
Yay!
You just.
We gotta.
Ooh.
Okay, here it goes. Okay, hold it out.
Yay! Hopefully they're not duds.
Yeah.
But don't worry if they are. I hold it.
No, hold it.
If they are, y'all can light mine. There you go.
There we go.
Oh, man, come on.
Yay!
And then once it gets to that little gold string, it'll be out.
All right, well.
Yeah.
It's
I
a
like
long
these 'cause they
thing.
last longer.
Yeah.
Because the little sparklers, it's just like, oh, and then it's over.
Hey, yay! All right, so it is Christmas night. We lit candles, which you saw. We went and looked at some Christmas lights, and now I'm going to go take a shower so I can go to bed. So that's going to be it for today's vlogs. We'll see if I vlog tomorrow. These are going to start turning into weekly vlogs and not daily, but I'll still be posting often. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.